How to change text color in Notion. This is one of the easiest ways to make your notes stand out and stay organized. Whether you want to highlight something important or just want to add a bit of style, Notion gives you quick color options right inside the editor. So now, as an example, I have this content ideas page, and let's say I would like to change color of each title. So what we can do, we can click on those 6 dots next to it, and this is going to open this drop-down menu, and you want to simply find color. From here, first option, what you can do, you can change text color. So this is going to change color of the text, or you can add a background color behind the text. So firstly, let's say I will choose red text, and as you can see, the text is red. Now, if you want to undo this action, you want to simply press Command Z if you are on Mac or Control Z on Windows. And this is going to undo your option. So let's say I want to choose different color, or I want to do background color. So let's say I want to choose purple background. And as you can see, the text is black, but it's in this purple background. Now let's say I would like to change color of everything in this page. So what we can do, we can like drag it like this. So we want to select everything. And now I just want to click on those 6 dots anywhere. And this is going to select everything. Now choose color, and you can choose, let's say, I don't know, green text. And as you can see, everything is going to be green. You can do it as well with the background. And that's basically it. So this was a quick video how you can change text color in Notion. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.